Not too much though, he's just turning a little bit.
Chirocco, estamos procediendo a la fase 3.
Víbora, Chirocco.
Alright, here it goes, guys.
No, here, you're good, right here. Key, the mic, tell him authorizado if you don't think he heard it.
He's a long way
Okay,
behind him.
he's coming left, coming left.
Roger.
Chirocco, Jergón, estamos procediendo a la fase 3.
No, VHF1.
Siendo han hecho los disparos al costado.
VHF1.
Tell him right now, authorizado fase 3.
VHF1.
We're on it,
El
we're on it.
pilot fase 3 no problem.
Yes,
Yeah.
he's executing.
El communication de...
Okay,
He's
de
executing.
second.
Back up, slow up. You're overtaking.
Here we go. 0.8,
Chirocco.
that's closure.
Víbora, Chirocco.
Banking left
He's turning now.
and right.
Víbora,
He's
Chirocco.
climbing.
8 miles from the border, from Frontier, 8 miles.
Get in there on him so you,
Víbora, procediendo a la fase 3, Chirocco.
but he can't keep up with him is his problem.
Yeah.
Okay, turn to the right.
All right, he's off the radar now. He's
Turn right.
Roger.
Go.
Gator 2, tailpipe Bravo.
okay. They're both
Go
together.
ahead.
Roger, put your host nation rider on.
Okay, host nation set.
Roger, stand by. Okay, host nation, go.
He's up. He's up. Okay, there he is. He's on it, boys.
Autorizada la fase 3.
Ok, Chirocco, procediendo a la fase 3.
Okay.
Dime, ¿has hecho los disparos
Right to
laterales?
left. They get over that ridge, we've lost them.
Tell the T-27 he has 6
Chirocco,
miles.
confirma.
6 miles to the Frontier.
6 millas distancia.
Oh, he's over
Damn.
total.
He's fixing to bust him now.
Gator 2.
Tell him to stand by. Okay, 5 miles from the Frontier.
Se encuentra a 5
Go
millas de la
ahead,
frontera y
Gator
Blanco,
2.
Tucano.
All right, he's got him, guys.
Confirma si se ha efectuado los disparos laterales.
Es afirmativo, es afirmativo.
All right, looks like he's trailing smoke. He's trailing smoke.
Respondiendo Blanco,
He's
procediendo a
smoking.
la fase 3 con autorización de Papa
He's
Nicolai.
smoking. He's banking left. He's smoking.
Oh, 1 miles, Víbora.
4 miles. 4 miles.
3 miles, Víbora.
Trailing fuel.
Gator 2, tailpipe Bravo, go.
Roger, you call me.
All right, he's coming in again. All right, he's trailing even more.
This is tailpipe Bravo. The current to speak to the rider. Over.
Okay, Ryder, get on,
SATCOM.
I'll tell you, get on SATCOM.
Sí, por esta, creo, adelante.
How far to the border? 2 miles, 2 miles.
Información para Chirocco.
He's trailing fuel. He's diving down. He's diving.
He's over the, he's over the bridge.
There he goes.
Cerrón, Chirocco.
Okay, got
Smoking
him.
him, man, yeah. 2.2 miles. 2.2 miles to the Frontier.
Víbora, Chirocco.
A VHF-1.
Cerrón, Chirocco.
Yeah, man. Okay, he's on fire. He's burning.
He's going in.
He burned up. He's down. He's down. Jesus.
Ok,
Jesus
Blanco
Christ.
derribado, Blanco derribado.
Okay, watch our altitude if we're going to circle. I don't want to hit the...
Yep, we're right here under. Okay, go ahead and pass that, block of space complete. Bravo, Gator 2, target has been executed and is down and burning. Time is 4:02 past the hour.
Ok, fixé el punto, yo estoy retornando a la casa.
Ok, muchachos, excelente trabajo, excelente trabajo. ¿ah?
Okay, give me the coordinates. Give me the coordinates.
08376.
Gator 2, this is tailpipe Bravo.